it was an eye opener for me when I did all of that. And by the time I came out of it, now I feel like I've attained a level where, yeah, nothing would scare me, even if I come face to face with the other world.
मतलब मैं तो ऐसा बच्चा था स्कूल में भी कि मैं देख लूंगा यार, मतलब मुझे दिखा दो मैं देख लूंगा. हाँ.
Radio Nasha. Hi, Pari हूँ मैं and you're watching us on Radio Nasha. Hi Ishwak.
Hello.
Hi Shainik. Hi Poojan.
Hello.
How are you guys?
Very
I'm
good.
doing great.
कैसा चल रहा है यार?
बस बारिश enjoy कर रहे हैं.
मुंबई की बारिश.
इन लोगों के लिए तो नया है.
मेरे लिए भी नया है. हम दोनों दिल्ली से हैं.
But you've
हमारा
been here
स्टार
for quite some
बैंगलोर से
while.
है. Yeah, I mean 5 years, like I said.
Yeah. You know, coming to Adhura, the trailer looks nail biting. It looks scary. जब आपके पास ये Ishwak, this is my question to you. जब आपके पास ये script आई थी, what is that thing that stood out for you in Adhura?
So many things, but always I guess the first thing is the writing. You know, it was like I was when I was told by Nikhil Advani that it's horror and you know you want me to do it. You have certain ideas about a horror show, a horror story, but then when I read it, there was so much. I would say justice done to the genre because it's kind of unexplored till now, and the storytelling, the plots, the twists, and the thrill of it. And it's like as I went on deeper and deeper, I just realized that it's so authentic to the genre.
Yeah. एक यू नो जनरली जो बेसिक हॉरर प्लॉट्स होते हैं उसमें एक बच्चे का रोल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है एंड जनरली बेसिक हॉरर प्लॉट्स में ये होता है कि वो एक बच्चा होता है जिसकी बातों पर कोई विश्वास नहीं करता राइट बट यू इट्स रिवर्स हियर यू आर द वन हु इज स्कैरिंग पीपल हाउ वाज इट फॉर यू
It was very fun. like while we were shooting, it was not really scary. But later on, when I actually saw it, I got so scared. Like I could not just what do I say?
Were you scared of yourself?
No, not that part.
नहीं. अच्छा
Yeah.
खुद से डर नहीं लगा देखकर
अब भी नहीं लगता.
अब भी नहीं लगता
No.
बट यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट वन लुक बिफोर वी स्टार्टेड रोलिंग कि मैंने वो जो ही वाज लाइक मैंने वो जो लुक दिया था ना वो मैंने क्या लुक दिया था
Yeah, that's like that smile in the after he was stabbing the compass between his fingers. Suddenly he brought it up and then
That's
stabbed.
it, yeah.
Yeah.
Like that smile I gave, it was really nice.
Yeah. पूजन अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में यार कुछ बताओ. I know there's not
Much I can tell about.
that you can reveal,
Yes.
but जितना रिवील कर सकते हो.
तो मैं जितना रिवील कर सकता हूँ मैं बताता हूँ आपको. तो आई एम प्लेइंग अधिराज's बेस्ट फ्रेंड और निनाद मेरे से बहुत अलग है. एज पूजन मैं बहुत ही एक्सट्रोवर्टेड लड़का हूँ और मैं बहुत जल्दी घुल मिल जाता हूँ सबसे. लेकिन निनाद की यही कुछ फ्रेंड्स हैं जिनके साथ वो बात करता है और दे प्रोटेक्ट ईच अदर और मतलब चड्डी बडीज हैं, चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड्स हैं एंड धीरे धीरे आप देखोगे स्टोरी में कैसे वो प्रोग्रेस करता है और क्या क्या चीज़ें उसे अफेक्ट करती हैं. सो विल सी.
Okay. Personally horror fans हो आप लोग?
I've always been a faint-hearted kid, and I couldn't deal with just like I think 90% of the people. I couldn't, but now it's exactly the opposite. As I grew up, I started feeling I wouldn't get scared so easily. But Adhura, when I was getting into this, I kind of read up on occult, read up on demonology, and the script also, like reading it, staying with it, was a little unsettling. But then I found this comfort, and now it's like I believe in ghosts. By the way, I know spirits exist. I have had supernatural experiences. So it's a very interesting world that we don't talk about and just kind of brush it under the carpet.
Yeah.
Because it's uncomfortable. Preternatural is the word, something that we don't understand till now. So it was an eye opener for me when I did all of that. And by the time I came out of it, now I feel like I've attained a level where, yeah, nothing would scare me, even if I come face to face with the other world.
Oh my God.
But I think
Creatures from the other world.
लोगों को लगता है कि
Because I know what it is. In the domain of that world, I know, read about it, I know what it is, what it wants, and it kind of why it's there. I have some understanding of it. but जब आपको पता ही नहीं है तो naturally it's going to freak you out.
Correct. But as you said, it was a bit of, you know, unsettling. तो वो कैसे, how did you kind of get yourself out of that zone then? Because it could, मतलब जब आप इतना पढ़ते हो और इतना देखते हो और इतना रिसर्च करते हो, वो दिमाग में
I gave it
रहता
a
है.
break and then when I went back to it and sort of when I had no option, शुरू में तो मतलब मैं अब मुझे हंसी आती है सोच के यार, मैं जब शुरू में, you know, when I was doing it, when I got the part, I was like, because I sort of like, you know, going into the depth of things, so I was like, I think this is the end of me. I actually thought like something's going to happen to me by once I'm done with the
Oh
shoot.
my God.
But and I felt, you know, uncomfortable in the first few weeks when I was sort of reading about it, working on it. And I just left it and I went back to it after a while. Then it kind of option नहीं थी तब तो करना ही था because shoot was around the corner. So
Yeah. Shrenik, are you scared of horror? Horror films देखते हो, देखी है, डर लगता है?
I was never a horror fan. Like quite a lot of time ago, the last horror movie I watched was The Conjuring 2. My sister was watching it, so I came along.
what a brave kid.
Yeah.
10 minute करके देखी थी.
No, like after some time, I just went out. Like I couldn't see it at all. That's it.
But I think we shouldn't be saying this. I think we did the whole our pitch is going wrong. We don't watch horror. We know everyone watches horror. यार horror is the best.
देखा
horror
करो,
rocks.
सब देखो हॉरर.
horror ही देखना चाहिए.
हॉरर ही देखना चाहिए.
Poojan, what about you?
मतलब मैं तो ऐसा बच्चा था स्कूल में भी कि मैं देख लूंगा यार, मतलब मुझे दिखा दो मैं देख लूंगा. हाँ. और ये शुरू हुआ था भूल भुलैया में, मेरे को डर लगा था बहुत.
Oh my God. Yeah.
और फिर उसके बाद देखते मैंने कहा देख लेंगे, कर लेंगे.
No, but
I was a brave kid.
I feel that I was so deprived, and you know, it's not just horror movies, horror as a genre, novels. I started reading horror, and some amazing classic books, and I just love it. I just love the genre now. Not just saying it as a pitch, but
Yeah.
for real,
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah, you were talking about भूल भुलैया. Even I remember that you know, अब जब आप देखते हो तब हंसी आती है. But then उस टाइम पर जब देखा था, it was such a different plot back then
Yeah.
also, right?
No, but I that is one film I wouldn't say that it was frivolous. Even now, it has that impact.
Yeah, of course.
Some, like, you know, some of the films that I got me hooked. This was one. Then there was RGV films like Bhoot and Raat.
Yeah.
The OG horror, Indian horror, modern age. Not talking about like the black and white. There were some good ones back then too.
Yeah.
But for me, I think the new generation horror kick-started with RGV coming up with Raat, the good old days, and then Bhoot.
This is set in two timelines, right?
Yes.
जितना मैंने देखा है 2007 and 2022. So I want to know from you, 2007 में आप लोग personally अपनी life की journey के कौन से मोड पर थे? Were you dreaming of becoming artists, becoming actors? Ishwak? You
No,
remember?
I think I wasn't. I was more into architecture then. I was an architecture student, end of it. So I kind of was, and I was very passionate about it. I still am. I mean, it's an art. I honestly think there's a confluence between all kinds of arts, performing arts. Architecture is a very fundamental kind of a study. Is an eye opener. So I was fully in that zone. और एक्टिंग का तो मेरे साथ हमेशा there was this, it was always the plan. This was plan B, which, you know, I mean, I couldn't really talk about it, but as long as I can remember, I was 3 or 4, I just knew that this is what I wanted to do. I would love collecting people and performing, doing anything, and loved being on stage. But I was just pushing it. I was like, let me just explore what else is out there, you know, study something else. And then I knew that this was eventually I'm going to do this.
Okay. This question is not applicable for you because you were not in the world in 2007.
I think
Poojan,
even for me, because I was also, I must be in 5th or 6th grade. उस time पे तो I was doing school plays कुछ ना कुछ, but मैं उससे पहले बहुत introvert बच्चा था. मतलब मुझे कोई भी आके छेड़ मार देता था, मैं कुछ नहीं कहता था, और तो वो चीज़ है. And
Such a Delhi thing. कोई भी आगे
मार देता था.
But my parents told me to fight back उस time पे, और that is why I also connected with this story, and there's something in that. तो बस.
बस.
Yeah,
But Shrenik, बताओ मुझे, how did acting happen for you?
My sister first, she used to be a model. So like she used to do small print shoots and all. So like one day I went along with her, and then they saw me, and then they offered me a shoot. Like I didn't want to do it. My mom told like you can just try it. Just if you don't want to do it, then don't do it. So I told okay, fine, I'll do it. I did it and it went really nice. It was like a Himalaya ad for
Okay.
hand wash, and then after that it kept on coming.
How cute. I mean, how was it having this energy around? I mean, I could have
As
just
lovely as it is, it seems now.
Ah.
I mean, with him, with all of them, I mean, both of them, they're lovely actors. I mean, I wouldn't take anything away from him that it's he's young, or it's just, for me, it was like, and that's the wonderful thing, it doesn't matter your age, your background, what you've done so far. When you're on set and you're doing it, it's like what the other person is giving you, and with each of their characters and what the kind of interaction, the kind of rapport we're supposed to have, I felt that it was one of the most pleasant and in terms of performance, it was the best experiences, because every character in the show was so well versed with their part, and the whole thing, that interaction was seamless.
Shining, what is it that you enjoy the most in front of camera? सबसे ज़्यादा क्या मजा आता है?
Like for me it was like the look. It always took a lot of takes, and it was like sometimes it got really funny, like because so many people off screen and had to just look straight into the camera or somebody else, and then it was like so hard at times, but very funny a lot.
One last question I have for all three of you. What is it that one thing जिसके बिना आप अधूरे हो? As people.
My answer is going to be constant for the rest of my life. Butter chicken.
Nice. Okay, Shining.
What should I say?
Your books?
Yeah, true.
You're incomplete without you love your books?
Yeah.
Percy Jackson and Harry Potter series, and what are you reading now?
Land of Stories.
Oh my
Wow.
god. Oh my god. Okay, Poojan.
I think my family.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
That's cute. All right. So, thank you so much for your time. And I
Thank
wish
you.
you
Thank
all
you.
the very, very best for Adhura. As I said, the trailer really looks nail biting. And बहुत time हो गया यार अच्छा horror देखे हुए.
आप देखोगे?
Of course.
Oh,
and
you're a
this-
horror buff.
I love horror. अकेले नहीं देखूंगी वो अलग बात है, but देखूंगी जरूर.
Sweet.
So please watch it on Amazon Prime, and thank you so much for talking to me today.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right.
Radio Nasha.